Everybody, Mike Gilman, founder of the Grooming Lounge, here for the second installment of our video vlog. Uh, Got some good response to the first one, and just wanted to take a quick second for those who aren't aware of the Grooming Lounge, and based on a lot of the questions we get, to give you a quick history of the Grooming Lounge and how the Grooming Lounge is set up. I'll try to do this within about 2 minutes, so you guys don't doze off. The nutshell is that the Grooming Lounge is broken into three distinct businesses, which all work very much together. We've got our Grooming Lounge Barbershops and Spas, where we have a location in Washington, D.C., and we also have one in Tyson's Corner in Northern Virginia. And within each of those stores, we offer services ranging from haircuts to hot lather shaves to men's manicures, men's pedicures, skincare, including facials, and also waxing services, and we also offer massage services. We opened our first store in 2002 in Washington, D.C., and we opened the Virginia outpost in 2006. And business is great. We really got an unbelievable team that's not only great technically, but also the best of the best in terms of customer service. And that's really what we pride ourselves on, is giving a little bit of both. Not only can we give the best haircuts or massages or skincare around, but we can also do it in a manner that makes guys feel like kings and feels like they're staying at a 4 or 5 star hotel. So that's the store side of our business. The second part of our business is our online business, groominglounge.com. And on groominglounge.com, we not only sell our own brand, which I'll get to in a second, Grooming Lounge Manufacturing products, but we also sell products from a lot of other great vendors and retailers like Jack Black and Malin and Getz and Molton Brown and Aqua de Parma and Earth and on and on and on. And we try to really make sure that the web experience is very or as akin to the in-store experience as you can get, by making it really easy to order, getting your orders out very, very quickly, and also making sure we pack everything with a little TLC, meaning items aren't just thrown in a box. You get a bunch of different extras, including samples wrapped in some nice Grooming Lounge tissue paper, and we try to get every order out same business day as long as you order it by 3. And so that's the web part of our business, and we do a lot of the web marketing in our office, which I'm sitting in now, but we also have a distribution center led by the world famous Tito Fuentes, who's been working with us forever and is just an awesome guy. And Tito makes sure all your packages get out on time, looking great, to your door to help you look and feel your absolute best. The last part of our business is Grooming Lounge Manufacturing, and that's where we make products that have the Grooming Lounge label on them, like this, the best shampoo. And we've been making Grooming Lounge products since about 2003. The neat thing about Grooming Lounge products is that they're all developed in our barbershops and spas by our barbers and skincare professionals. So we don't do anything until these professionals test the products, give us the thumbs up on the products, tell us they smell great, they work great, etc. And we go back and forth with the laboratories to make Grooming Lounge products. And right now we have about 16 Grooming Lounge products that are sold not only through our stores, but also through the website, and also through about 10 or so other retailers. We also sell our products on Amazon, and that's a whole nother business, which I know a lot of retailers are both having success with and struggling with at the same time. Anyway, that's the quick overview, or as quick as I could get, about Grooming Lounge, and I'll be back next week to offer some, hopefully even better insight as to who we are and what we can do. Thanks for listening, and thanks for your ongoing support of Grooming Lounge and our various companies.